Hi guys, Casey Amswell here, and I have a package from Theoretical Pops, and I have a mystery can. Let's reveal the can first. It's a girl. Cheeks!
Little Miss Teakers.
She doesn't want to go in the box.
Hey, Cheeks.
Mom already pre-opened this for me, so it won't be so hard. Power up! I'm trying not to do that because we have a can on the premises. Anyway, we have Velma's Loki. I'm guessing that's Mom's.
This was a win off of a huge collab that they did that Theoretical Pops did with Pop Culture and Wally's World of Toys.
And then we have Doctor Strange.
So here is our Doctor Strange. And then here is the Venomized Loki.
I'm ready to pop it.
No. Really, dude?
Can't help it.
And even though Theoretical Pops isn't doing very many videos now, we don't know if he's going to be coming back, but he will be missed. We will put a link to Wally's World of Toys and to Pop Culture, and we will also include a link to Theoretical Pops' channel. Thank you so much for sending these to us, right, Sam?
Yep.
And congratulations on your 500 subscribers, right?
Yep.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching.
Like, join, hit the bell button, and subscribe. And have a perfect day.
Bye.
Bye.